You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to today's episode. We're going to share practical tips to help you prepare for a smooth and successful move to Panama. Relocating to another country can feel overwhelming, but it can be an exciting and a rewarding journey with the right preparation and guidance. Whether you're retiring, moving with your family, or starting a new professional chapter, this episode is going to provide actionable advice to make the transition easier. From planning to adapting to Panama's culture, we're going to cover everything you need to know for a stress-free relocation. Let's dive in and get you ready for your new adventure in Panama. First, planning ahead. Setting a clear timeline is crucial for staying organized and reducing stress when planning your move to Panama. Prepare essential documents such as visa, residency permits, and travel papers to ensure everything is in order before your move date. Arrange for the shipment of your belongings well in advance, allowing time for packing, transportation, and any unexpected delays. Finalizing your housing is another key step. Whether you plan to rent or purchase, you have to have a place ready to call home upon arrival. Equally important is understanding Panama's custom regulations to avoid issues during the import process. Certain items may be restricted or require special documentation, so working with a reliable moving company like SDC International Shipping is invaluable. Their expertise ensures your belongings comply with all the regulations. This will provide peace of mind and a smooth transition into your new life in Panama. What about adapting to a new culture? Learning basic Spanish is one of the most effective ways to ensure your integration into life in Panama. Having a basic understanding of the language can make daily interactions such as shopping, dining out, or asking for directions much smoother and more enjoyable. It also helps build local connections, making you feel more at home in your new community. Navigating local systems like healthcare and transportation is another important aspect of settling in. Panama offers excellent healthcare options, both public and private, so it's helpful to familiarize yourself with systems and choose a provider that fits your needs. For transportation, public buses and the metro system in Panama City are affordable and efficient, while taxis and ride-sharing apps are also widely available. Understanding these systems will make your day-to-day life much more convenient, and it will help you easily adjust to your new surroundings. Proper preparation and adapting to the culture are key to smooth transitions to Panama. Setting a timeline for paperwork, shipments, and housing, and understanding local custom regulation lays the groundwork for a stress-free move. Learning basic Spanish and familiarizing yourself with Panama's healthcare and transportation system further enhance your ability to integrate and thrive in your new home. To make your relocation even easier, trust SDC International Shipping, the experts in international moves. With their professional services and personalized support, SDC ensures a seamless transition so you can focus on embracing your new adventure in Panama. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. We hope you found these tips helpful as you plan your move to Panama. If you know friends or family who are considering an international relocation, share this podcast with them. It might inspire their next big adventure. And don't forget to visit SDC International Shipping website for tailored quotes and professional support to make your move seamless and stress-free. We look forward to having you join us in the next episode.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.